In this video, we will give a quick guiding overview of how to configure your system to start using it. To begin, we're going to go to the main menu and click on Configurations. Here, we will find all the configurations for your system broken down into sections. The first section that you'll want to review is the Contact Information section. Here you will find the options that you can create for the various demographic fields for contacts. You will also find the various tag fields, such as smart tags, basic tags, and contact types. To configure any one of these given configuration options, simply click on the option you wish to configure. For many options, it will be as simple as entering a description for the option you wish to create and clicking the Add button. For other options, such as smart tags, configuration will be slightly more detailed. And for these cases, you will have a button in the lower right that will either say Add or New or some variation therein. In these cases, simply click that button, fill in the information required for the configuration you wish to create, and click Save. To navigate to other configurations within the section you're working on, you can simply use the left-hand menu. If you wish to go back and see other sections, you can click on the header and find the section you wish to go into, or you can return to configuration through the main menu. The next section that is recommended for configuration is the Gifts section. Here you will find the options for configuring amount, recency, and frequency groups, as well as funds, campaigns, ask array, and programs, and lastly, gift sources. These will be needed for entering gifts into your system. A final option that you might want to consider looking at is custom datasets. Here, you can create custom datasets and fields within those custom datasets that will allow you to expand the system in any way that you need. In other words, if we don't have a field in the system, custom datasets will allow you to create that field and thus track information most pertinent to your organization. Another useful configuration to review is email notifications. These notifications are the emails that can be sent out by the system, either automatically or by user choice. It is recommended that you go through these emails and configure them so that they match your organization's needs and look. As with other configurations, you can edit them by simply finding the entry that interests you and clicking on Edit. Lastly, to create more users and roles for those users, click on your username in the top right and select Account. To create a new role for your organization, click on Application Roles, select Add New Role, give a name to your role, and select those functions and information that you wish this role to have access to. To create a new user, click on Users. And as with any configuration, click on the Add button in the lower right and enter the pertinent information. To make modifications to your account, click on My Account, and you'll be able to update information as necessary, turn on new features, or change your plan. This was just a brief overview of certain configuration options available to you in the system and how to get to them. For more details on individual configuration options, please see the tutorial for that specific configuration option. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at support@nonprofiteasy.com.